Meru County is an agricultural basket that provides a high volume of export and subsistence food in Kenya. One of the key focus in Governor Kiraitu Murungi's manifesto, which is also spelt well in the Meru Vision 2040, is to improve agriculture for food and cash for all households. This has been achieved by giving priority to farmer training and empowerment through partnerships. Through the help of the governor, Meru-Kopia project came in. The overall goal of the project is to improve the performance of indigenous chicken and Irish potato value chains among small-scale producers in Meru County.
Just we brought 300, but the next time I try to bring more.
Everyone is saying that this one seems to have grown very fast. So what we are seeing, by the time we have the hatchery and we are doing the hatching of the chicks, these ones will be trainers for the other farmers.
The project is using a model village approach where 800 indigenous chicken and 400 Irish potatoes have been distributed. These villages are Ngonyi, Baria, Danami and Kangeta for indigenous chicken, and Murungorune and Katheri for Irish potatoes. In this respect, 4 fully equipped hatchery units have been completed, and with a fully equipped training or social hall with wall-mounted 75 inches smart television screens. Also, Kangeta, Ntalami and Baria model villages have each over 5.5 meters cubic per hour water outflow solar-powered borehole and a 10,000 meter cubic capacity water tank reservoir.
We have really benefited with those chicks because we have learned a lot. We say thank you to our governor because at the moment we are having so many chicks. We are able to sell our chicks, our eggs, and taking our children to school.
The project has also supported Kangeta, Ntalami and Baria villages to have metered water dispensing kiosk for income generation. Ntalami began incubation last year, while the other 3 will start hatching this month. It attained 64.7% hatchability of fertile eggs in the 3rd batch of incubation. A total of 44,650 day-old improved kienyeji chicks have been distributed to the initial 400 farmers for the purposes of innovation demonstrations.
These chicks has also started laying eggs after 5 months, and those eggs has really helped me because personally and my family, we used them as food. Also, we used to sell them so that we can get some funds.
I sold per cock for 800 shillings and also some for 1,000 shillings, and I get some money which I could also use to cater for my children on paying the school fees. And from the eggs which we are eating, we gain some errors. From the chicken, we were able to cook.
Having many of them, but because of school fees, I sold some of them.
This is my construction going on. After I sold my 10 cocks, which were ready during the Easter holiday, I got the money I got, at least I supported my project.
Chicken farmers have attained an average flock size of 62 chicken per household. In terms of weight performance, the cocks attained mean body weight of 893 grams at 14 weeks of age. The indigenous chicken farmers attained 38.5% change in incomes, where household incomes increased from 136,225 to 188,695. From the sale of eggs, manure, meat and water, the farmer is happy. In line with his manifesto, the governor set up the best potato unions in the county to support the production of Irish potatoes through Kopia at household level. A total of 16.2 metric tons Destiny and 28.8 metric tons Shangi variety Irish potato seeds has been procured and distributed to the 400 potato farmers. The fruits are evident in the farms.
This is a Makis type. Now, this is how it is doing. This is now ready for market.
My name is Jennifer Anjan Jones. This is my garden. I plant potatoes. From 2020, we are being helped by Kopia and our officers from agriculture. They taught us how to plant the potatoes, and now we are going well. But before, we could not know how to plant well.
Luciana Eutychus from WhatsApp and Cabone Village. We are in the group of Murungurone Mondro Village, whereby we are planting this satisfying seeds from Kopia Group. This Kopia Group has helped us much, whereby we have moved from poverty to wealth class. We have done a lot, whereby before we had nothing to sell, but today we have something to sell, which has enabled us to make wealthy, and also our families has grown wealthy. We have built houses, we have educated our children, we have also educated other people through this crop of potatoes. I have harvested already 20 tons. According to what I've harvested 20 tons, whereby 1 kg of potatoes I'm selling at 8 shillings per kilo, whereby which is making around 7,000 within 3 months.
The farmers have attained impressive results of 16.71 metric tons per acre of potato yield from baseline of 3,520 kilograms in the year 2020 compared to those outside the project area. This stream of incomes is expected to support the maintenance and expansion of the model village future initiatives. To Kopia partners, thank you for helping Governor Kiraitu Morongi to make Meru great.